Want to move faster, last longer, and stay healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Apple Watch SE 3, featuring the powerful S10 chip, enhanced performance, and improved fitness tracking. With crash detection, advanced health insights, and a lightweight design, it delivers premium Apple Watch features at an affordable price. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Apple Watch SE 3, your chosen strap, the Apple Watch magnetic fast charger to USB-C cable, and some quick start paperwork. Technical specifications. Material, display sizes, processor, storage, sensors, health, durability, battery life, connectivity, controls, audio, operating system, design fit, safety features, colors, product features. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, the Apple Watch SE 3 offers a sleek and comfortable design built for daily wear. It's water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming and fitness use, with durable construction for lasting performance. Monitor your well-being with features like heart rate alerts, irregular rhythm detection, sleep and cycle tracking, and sleep apnea notifications. It helps you stay aware of your body's patterns and overall health trends. Stay active with accurate tracking for running, cycling, swimming, and more. Real-time metrics and goal-based workouts make it easy to stay motivated and improve performance. Powered by the S10 chip with a 4-core neural engine, the SE 3 delivers smooth performance and energy efficiency. Enjoy up to 18 hours of battery life and fast charging through the included magnetic USB-C charger. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. The front shows the full edge-to-edge display, with the digital crown and side button aligned on the right edge. A small microphone opening sits beside them, keeping the front clean while still giving easy control and voice input. The back has the circular sensor module that includes the electrical heart sensor, optical heart sensor, and blood oxygen sensor. You'll also find the band release buttons at the top and bottom for swapping straps, plus the small speaker and air vent openings placed along the back edge for pressure equalization and clearer sound. Now let's explore what your watch can do. The Apple Watch buttons and sensors let you navigate, access apps, and monitor health easily. The crown scrolls and returns to the watch face, the side button handles apps and emergencies, and the back sensors track heart and blood oxygen, while speakers and vents ensure sound and strap changes. Wearing the watch. Get the perfect fit for all-day comfort. Attach the band before using your watch. You can detach the band from the watch and replace it with a new one. Align the band with the watch so that they line up, then push it in until it clicks. Gently pull on both sides of the band to make sure it is tightly connected and not detached from your watch. Remove the band while pressing the band release button. How to pair. Make sure your iPhone is updated, connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, and has Bluetooth on. Turn on your Apple Watch by holding the side button, then bring it close to your iPhone. When the pairing screen appears, tap Continue. Then choose Setup for myself or for a family member. Align your watch in the iPhone's camera frame or pair it manually. Follow the on-screen steps. Select Setup as New or Restore from Backup, and keep both devices close until syncing finishes. Once done, tap Start on your Apple Watch, and you're all set to go. How to charge? Place your Apple Watch on the included magnetic fast charger. It will automatically align and start charging. Connect the charger's USB-C cable to a power adapter or USB port. In about 45 minutes, you can reach up to 80% charge, giving you hours of use with minimal wait time. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open Settings on your Apple Watch. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Reset. Select Erase all content and settings. Confirm the reset. The watch will wipe and restart. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Press and hold the side button until the power screen appears. Press and hold the digital crown until Erase all content and settings shows. Tap Reset to confirm. The watch will erase all data and reboot to factory settings. Resetting your Apple Watch will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up through your paired iPhone before you proceed. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The Apple Watch Series 11 comes in aluminum and premium titanium with a refined, durable design, while the Apple Watch SE 3 sticks to a lighter, budget-friendly aluminum build. Display and sizes. Series 11 offers larger 42mm and 46mm models, with an always-on Retina OLED display and improved scratch resistance, while the SE3 comes in smaller 40mm and 44mm sizes with an always-on display, but simpler glass protection. Battery and storage. Series 11 delivers up to 24 hours of use and runs on Apple's newest chip with 64GB of storage, while the SE3 offers around 18 hours with the same chip tier, but fewer high-end capabilities and 32GB storage. Pros and cons. The Watch SE3 offers strong performance with the S10 chip and always-on display, improved durability, and essential health features like sleep tracking and crash detection, all at a great value. However, it lacks advanced sensors such as ECG and SPO2, has an older design with thicker bezels, and only comes in an aluminum case with modest battery life. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.